Well, hello, Catherine here. How is this for a change of scenery? What a stunning view I have here behind me. I am in the Big Sur area of California. Big Sur to me is one of California's crown jewels along with the Sierra. Just one of the most beautiful, most breathtaking places in California. It's where the mountains meet the sea, or the ocean in this case, and you really have the best of both worlds. I am here at a Forest Service run campground for the next several days. As you can see, my view is incredible. I'll show you what it looks like from the back of the camper. Just absolutely amazing. And I'll be hiking and exploring and just enjoying the incredible beauty of the Big Sur area. So join me. And here is my gorgeous view. Good morning. Wow, what a pleasant night's sleep I had, hearing the waves crashing, just peaceful and quiet. And now I am here in the forest, and this is what I meant by the mountains meeting the sea or the ocean. This is literally about 1.5 miles north of my campsite. I am here in Limekiln State Park, ready to take a hike through the forest and up to a waterfall. Just look at all these beautiful trees here. This area is pretty cool. Check out these gorgeous redwood trees. The root system is exposed on this one. Interesting. Wow, this place is enchanted. It reminds me a lot of Olympic National Park up in Washington, with all the ferns, the greenery, and the big trees. It's absolutely stunning.
I always think it's really cool to see new life sprouting from a dead tree stump.
And these are lime kilns. Beginning in 1887, the Rockland Lime and Lumber Company extracted, processed, and exported thousands of barrels of lime from this canyon. And these were furnaces to process them. Well, this has been a gorgeous little saunter through the woods. This is only my second time camping in Big Sur. I've driven through it on numerous occasions. And it is a real gem. Anyhow, I'm going to go ahead and hike on out of here and see what other beauty I can find today. Good morning. It's raining this morning. Check out these gorgeous redwood trees. Well, the rain has stopped, but the wind has picked up, as you might notice from all the whitecaps out there on the ocean. So today is going to be a getting work done day today. Well, not a whole lot has happened today. I've designated today a work day. After the rain dissipated, it did clear up. However, it is still quite windy out there, although beautiful. The excitement for the day was heading about 2 miles north to a local lodge to sit in their parking lot and pay $2 for 1 hour of Wi-Fi. I needed to get a little bit of work done, so I went ahead and paid the $2. One thing you should be aware of if you are planning to come to Big Sur is everything is quite pricey. A bottle of Diet Coke is $4. Thankfully, I brought all my food and drink along with me. Tomorrow, I will be heading north and out of the Big Sur area. However, I do have a couple more beautiful spots up my sleeve to show you on the way out. I will catch up with you in the morning. Good morning. I have left my beautiful little campsite in Big Sur and I'm now headed north. I pulled over on the side of the road when I noticed a whale playing in the surf below. How cool is that? I can't believe I got that footage. Absolutely amazing. And what about the moon this morning? Oh my gosh, how stunning. I peeked out my curtains and I saw that and I jumped out of bed and out of my camper. It was so early, but I got the shot and I'm so stoked. Before I hit the road full time, I resided in San Clemente, California. I had an apartment up on a bluff and a 180-degree view of the ocean, and I saw images like that quite often. It really reminded me how much I miss it. However, I wouldn't trade what I'm doing for the world. Well, that is going to do it for this trip through the very rugged and stunning Big Sur. It was a real treat for me to be by the ocean again. Thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you on the next one. Bye-bye.